Hello students, today we are going to discuss biomolecules. Here are some important exam related questions. Question 1. What is the primary structure of proteins and who first proposed its importance? Answer. The primary structure of a protein is its unique sequence of amino acids linked by peptide bonds. Linus Pauling first emphasized its importance. Question 2. Which type of bond stabilizes the alpha helix structure of proteins? Answer. Hydrogen bonds between the carbonyl oxygen of one amino acid and the amide hydrogen of another stabilize the alpha helix structure of proteins. Question 3. Name the scientist who discovered the double helix structure of DNA and explain its significance. Answer. James Watson and Francis Crick discovered the double helix structure of DNA in 1953. Significant because it explained how DNA replicates and stores genetic information. Question 4. What are carbohydrates and what is their general formula? Answer. Carbohydrates are a group of biomolecules consisting of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, usually with the formula CnH2O. They serve as energy sources and structural components in cells. Question 5. Describe the importance of the phosphodiester bond in nucleic acids. Answer. Phosphodiester bonds link the phosphate groups of one nucleotide to the 3-hydroxyl group of another nucleotide, forming the backbone of DNA and RNA strands. Question 6. Who first isolated nucleic acids and from what source? Answer. Frederick Michel first isolated nucleic acids in 1869 from the nuclei of first cells, calling it nuclein. Question 7. What is the role of ribose in nucleic acids? Answer. Ribose is a pentose sugar in RNA, forming part of the backbone by linking nitrogenous bases to phosphate groups. Question 8. Define lipids and name a common lipid structure. Answer. Lipids are hydrophobic or amphiphilic molecules including fats, oils, waxes, and certain vitamins. A common structure is the triglyceride composed of glycerol and three fatty acids. Question 9. Who proposed the fluid mosaic model of the cell membrane and what does it entail? Answer. S. J. Singer and Gert Nicholson proposed the fluid mosaic model in 1972, describing the cell membrane as a fluid combination of lipids, proteins, and carbohydrates. Question 10. What are glycosidic bonds and their function in carbohydrates? Answer. Glycosidic bonds are covalent bonds that link sugar molecules in oligo and polysaccharides, crucial for building complex carbohydrates like starch and cellulose. Question 11. Identify the molecule ATP and its role in cellular activities. Answer. ATP, adenosine triphosphate, serves as the main energy currency in cells, driving various biological processes by transferring phosphate groups. Question 12. What is the significance of the alpha ketoglutarate in cellular metabolism? Answer. Alpha ketoglutarate is a key intermediate in the Krebs cycle involved in energy production and nitrogen metabolism. Question 13. Describe the Watson-Crick model of DNA and its features. Answer. The Watson-Crick model describes DNA as a double helix with two antiparallel strands connected by hydrogen bonds between complementary base pairs AT and GC. Question 14. What are essential amino acids and why must they be included in human diet? Answer. Essential amino acids cannot be synthesized de novo by the organism human, hence must be ingested through the diet. Question 15. What are sterols and provide an example of a sterol in animal cells? Answer. Sterols are a subgroup of steroids with a hydroxyl group at position 3 of the steroid ring. Cholesterol is an example found in animal cell membranes. Question 16. Explain the role of cholesterol in membrane fluidity. Answer. Cholesterol modulates membrane fluidity over a range of temperatures, stabilizing and stiffening membranes. Question 17. What is the structure of hemoglobin and its function in humans? Answer. Hemoglobin is a tetrameric protein with 4 heme groups. It carries oxygen from the lungs to tissue and facilitates carbon dioxide transport back to the lungs. Question 18. Name the scientist who discovered penicillin and its impact on medicine. Answer. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin in 1928, revolutionizing antibacterial treatment and opening the era of antibiotics. Question 19. What is the role of messenger RNA in protein synthesis? Answer. Messenger RNA mRNA carries genetic information from DNA to the ribosome where it serves as a template for protein synthesis. Question 20. Define the term enzyme and describe its biological significance. Answer. Enzymes are biological catalysts that speed up chemical reaction in the body without being consumed, crucial for metabolic process. Question 21. What distinguishes RNA from DNA in terms of structural components? Answer. RNA contains ribosugar and uracil, whereas DNA contains deoxyribosugar and thymine. Question 22. Explain the significance of the peptide bond in proteins. Answer. Peptide bonds connect amino acids in a protein, forming the primary structure that determines the protein's overall shape and function. Question 23. What is glycogen and its role in the body? Answer. Glycogen is a polysaccharide of glucose serving as an energy storage form in animals, primarily stored in the liver and muscle cells. Question 24. Describe the structure of a nucleotide. Answer. A nucleotide consists of a nitrogenous base, a 5-carbon sugar, ribose in RNA, and deoxyribose in DNA, and one or more phosphate groups. Last question. Who introduced the lock and key model for enzyme action and what does it represent? Answer. Emil Fischer introduced the lock and key model in 1894, illustrating how enzymes and substrate fit together precisely, guiding specific chemical reaction in biology.